Guys, let's watch this video.
I came out here thinking I could play all day. More basketball are getting tired. But after a few minutes, I was already feeling it. You drinking Fanta. So I took a quick break and grabbed a Fanta. Back to basketball. Cold, refreshing.
Every moment is better with Coca-Cola. Taste the feeling.
Now, you see this Coca-Cola video you just watched right now, this Coca-Cola advert video you just watched right now, I created this video in less than 1 minute without generating any image, without doing anything. With just a simple prompt, I was able to generate this video you just watched right now. All these advertisement video, UGC videos are generated in less than 1 minute. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can also do the same thing, creating any UGC video or any advertisement video without generating images, without generating single video that you are going to clip it together. You don't need to do that. This AI tool is going to undo everything for you in less than 1 minute. Just put your prompt, put your idea, and the AI is going to generate everything just the way you want. And you can also use your image to do this. Let me show you how you can do something like this. Guys, this is the AI tool I want us to be testing out today. This AI tool you are seeing right here. So on this AI tool, you can use it to generate video ads. In fact, I've used this AI tool to generate different type of video ads, and you don't need to do much. All you need to do is just to put your prompt here. Just describe your prompt, the type of AI video ads you want to create, UGC video, in fact, any type of AI video you want to create, like avatar video. In fact, you can use this AI to do a lot of things. So right now, as you can see here, it says upload up to 9 reference assets, enter text to use. As you can see, you can upload your image, you can upload text, you can upload audio, you can upload reference video. If you have reference video you want to create like that, you can upload it here and it will work for you. All you just need to just click on this plus icon and you are going to see where you can upload image, upload video, upload audio, and also upload other things you have like text and other things. You can upload them here and the AI is going to use it to generate your UGC video, your video ads. So if you are a kind of person who wants to be creating UGC video ads for your business, for your e-commerce business, affiliating, anything that has to do with video advert or UGC video, you can come to this platform and you can do it. Let me show you how it works. For example, and one thing I love about this platform is that you can create up to 30-second video with it. Yes, you can create it. We are going to test it together so that you guys are going to see how it works. Now, for example, I have my own image on my phone that I want to use. Let me send my image to the image I want to use to generate video, so that I'm going to show you guys example on how you can create something like this. So I'll be uploading my own image, so that I'm going to show you example. So I'll just click on this plus icon and I'll click on add image. Now, when I click on add image, it's going to take me to an interface like this. So let me upload that my image. This is my image I want to use. So I'm going to turn this my image right now to UGC video that you guys are going to see. Now, after uploading my image, I'm going to paste my prompt. And if you don't know how to prompt your UGC videos, you can go to the description of this video or the comment section of this video. I'm going to leave down a link where you are going to get a master prompt that you are going to be using to generate your UGC videos. All you just need to do on the master prompt is just to put your product idea, describe it, and the AI is going to generate the prompt for you. So now I have my prompt. I'll just paste my prompt here. Paste my prompt, as you can see, and this prompt says create a realistic cinematic 30-second vertical UGC video. So you can see upload everything, image uploaded using this uploaded image. So I just decided to describe how I want it. And after that, the next thing is to come down here. You set your aspect ratio. So my aspect ratio is going to be 9:16 because that is what is working right now for Facebook or TikTok ads or YouTube ads or UGC. You can use that here. Now your quality, you can increase it up to 1080p, and that is the best quality. And your duration, your video duration, you can also increase it up to 15 seconds and 15 seconds here, as you can see, 15 seconds. Now, when you bring it to 720p here like this, you put it on 720p, you can increase it. Now, let's come down to second here. Let's increase this second. Now, you can also change your video model here. As you can see, they have Seedance 2.0, they have Seedance 2, they have a different type of AI model. So if you want to use Seedance 2.5, you can put it in Seedance 2.5. And when you put it in Seedance 2.5, that is when you can increase it to 30 seconds, as you can see. If you are using Seedance 2.0, you can only generate 15 seconds. So if you want it to generate up to 30 seconds, you have to put it in Seedance 2.0. So after putting it in Seedance 2.0, you can increase it to 30 seconds. Aspect ratio, you set it. And after that, the next thing you are going to do is just to click on generate. As you can see, generate. And one thing about this platform, immediately you register, they are going to give you 30 credits. And you can use that 30 credits to generate short video. And after that, you are going to also give another 20 extra credit. But right now, as you can see, my credit here, I have over 1,000 credits because I upgraded my package. So you just click on generate. Don't worry, I'm going to explain that to you. And when you click on generate here, as you can see, it has started generating my video right now. So right now, as you can see, it's generating the video right now. Here is generating the video. So we just have to give it some minutes and it's going to generate the video. So you guys can see these are some of the video I generated with it this morning. These videos you are seeing right here, I generated these two videos and you can see it's all 30 seconds. Don't worry, I'm going to show you guys the videos I've generated so far on this using this AI tool. I'm going to show you guys. So let's allow this one to generate, and as you can see, we just have to wait for some minutes, and after we wait, I'm going to play the video and you guys are going to see the video. So let's wait for it to complete the video generation. Finally, our video is ready here. As you can see, our video is ready. Let me tap on it. So this is our video. So as you can see, this is our video. It is playing right now. Let me decide to play it in full so that you guys are going to see it. So this is the video. Sorry, my network is very little slow. So as you can see, this is the video. Sorry, it's my network, but you are going to see the video by the end. So as you can see, this is the video here. And this is me. This is my real fuse. As you can see, if you see my face, you see this is me. Sorry, it's the network that made it to post. So as you can see, now this is it. Drinking the Fanta. So if you want to create a UGC videos like this, you just need to put your prompt. As you can see, this is my image I uploaded here. This is only the image I uploaded. And after uploading the image, this is the prompt I used. And as you can see, it generates the video. So if I want to download the video right now, I'll just click on download here, as you can see. So if I want this video to be so long, again, you want the video to be so long, all you just need to do, just click on add video here, as you can see. So if you want to create like 1 minute video, 30-minute video, advert, all you just need to do, just click on add video here. Or you want to add audio to the video, you just click on add audio here, and it's going to add the audio. The video is very slow. That is because of my network. As you can see, the image here, the video here. So you just click on add video here, as you can see. And when you click on add video, let me download this video first. Let's download it. Sorry, the video has downloaded. So you just click on upload. And when you click on upload, so sorry, I'm still downloading this video again. It will take you to your phone and you upload that your previous video, the first one you just download, you upload it. Sorry, the video has not been downloaded yet. If the video is downloaded, you upload it, and after you upload it, you just click on continue and you click continue generating the video. Sorry, my network is bad, so I've not been able to download the video. So let me re-download the video and show you guys how it works. So let's just go back. I'll do that later. So that is what you need to do. So these videos you are seeing right here, I use the same method. I created this video, this first one here, this one here. I created it for somebody and the person paid me because he wanted to use the video for his Facebook advert, and this is the video here. And also this one, I created it for him. I created 2 videos for the person and I sent it to him. That was what I did earlier today. So now when I come to home page, let me take you guys to the home page of this platform so that you guys are going to see things about this platform. Now when you come to the home page, you come to tools here. let me explain more about this platform, what you can do on this platform. When you come to tools, you are going to see different type of tools. As you can see, create a video ad, video cloning, viral video. So if you want to create viral video for any product, you can do that here. Also, as you can see, UGC product video lip sync. If you want to do lip syncing of yourself, you can also use this AI tool to do it. You can do clothes. If you want to create your own clothes for people designing, you can use this AI image cloning. You can also do it. In fact, there is a lot of things you can do on this platform. Now, when you come to templates here, you are going to see different type of templates. Also, as you can see, they have different type of templates that you can just tap on and you are going to use them. You can also do unboxing on the platform. And when you come to avatar, this is where you are going to see different type of avatar. You can create your own avatar. On my next video, I'm going to do that. So all you just need to do, just subscribe to this YouTube channel, and on my next video, when I make video on how you can use the avatar to create video, you are also going to see it, how you can create your own avatar using your own image, using your own photos. Now, when you come to project here, this is where you can see the type of projects I've created using this platform so far. Now, as you can see, I've created all these projects. I created all these projects. Like that Coca-Cola video you were seeing at the beginning of this video. This is the Coca-Cola video here. As you can see, this is the Predictor video here. As you can see, these are all the video I created with this platform so far. As you can see, all of them here. So I've created a lot of things on this platform using this here. And when we come to my second project here, which one is the one that says Musa here, you're also going to see the project I've generated from this one also. Sorry, my network is very slow. So I don't want to waste much of your time, and I don't want this video to be so long. So on my next video, I'm going to explain much better how you create your own avatar and how you can make the video long, add your own video on it. So on my next video, I'm going to explain more about that. So to get access to this platform, the link to this platform is going to be in the description of this video or the comment section of this video. Just check it out. You click on it and it's going to take you to the interface where you can register on the platform, and immediately you register, they are going to give you 30 credit, and when you use the 30 credit, they are also going to give you another extra 20 credit. So that is how this platform works. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do wait to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.